Tes, tes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys. First of all, thank you for this chance giving me to describe the types of company. There are four types of company. The first is companies on the basis of liabilities. It's divided into two types. Option A, companies limited by shares. A company in which the liability of the member is limited to the unpaid amount of shares held by them is called a company limited by shares. These are those companies in which the capital is divided into shares and the liability of members is limited to the extent of the face value of shares held by them. Option B, companies limited by guarantee. A company limited by guarantee is a company in which the liability of its member is limited to such amount which the member undertake to contribute to the assets of the company in the event of its winding up. These are such companies where shareholders promise to pay a fixed amount to meet the liabilities of the company in the case of liquidation. Option C, unlimited companies. A company not having any limit on the liability its member as in the case of a partnership or sole trading concern is an unlimited company. In such company, the liability of a shareholder is unlimited like sole proprietor and partnership from the business. If such a company goes into liquidation, the members can be called upon to pay an unlimited amount even from their private properties to meet the claim of the creditors of the company. The second is companies on the basis of member is divided into three types. A, one-person companies or OPC. This company in which one man holds practically the whole of the share capital of the company, and in order to meet the statutory requirement of minimum number of members, some dummy members hold one or two shares each. The dummy members are usually nominees of principal shareholder. The principal shareholder is in position to enjoy the profit of the business with the limited liability. Such type of company are perfectly valid and not illegal. Option B, private company. A private company is owned by either a small number of shareholders, company members, or a non-governmental organization, and it does not offer its stock for sale to the general public. Instead, its stock is offered, owned, or exchanged privately among a small number of shareholders, or even held by single individual. Private companies are also referred to privately held companies, limited liability companies, or private corporation, depending on the country they're incorporate and how they are structured. Option C, public companies. A public company means a company which not be at least 7% to form a public company. It's of essence a public company that is article do not contain provisions restricting the number of its member or excluding generally the transfer of its shares to the public or prohibiting any invitation to the public to describe for its share or the debentures. Only the shares of a public company are capable of being dealt in on a stock exchange. The third is companies on the basis of control of or holding. There's divided into two types. The first type is holding and subsidiary companies. A company is known as the holding company of another company if it has control over another company. A company is known as subsidiary of another company when control is exercised by the latter over the former called a subsidiary company. A company is to be subsidiary company for of another. Be second, associate companies. An associate company may be partly owned by another company or group of companies. As a rule, the parent company or companies do not consolidate the associate company financial statement as in the case with subsidiary. The fourth or the last is companies in terms of access to capital. There's a list and unlist companies that have access to company capital. There's list and unlist companies that have access to company capital. And list company, we can freely buy their securities and list them on the stock exchange, while unlist companies do not list them. Thank you for watching me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.